SATS Stock Technical Analysis as of June 29, 2025. General overview and trend. The stock of SATS, as reflected in the provided dataset, has experienced significant volatility over the observed period from March 31, 2025 to June 27, 2025. The closing price has fluctuated between a low of $15.99 and a high of $28.81, with the most recent closing price on June 27, 2025, at $28.81. The overall trend shows a general decline from early April highs around $26.29 to a low of $15.99 in early June, followed by a sharp recovery towards the end of the dataset. This indicates a potential shift from a bearish to a bullish trend in the recent days, particularly with the strong upward movement in the last few trading sessions, where the price surged from $16.84 to $28.81. Price and volume price movements have been accompanied by varying volume levels, with significant spikes observed during key price changes. For instance, the highest volume day was on June 16, 2025, with 15.844.856 shares traded, coinciding with a sharp price increase from $16.84 to $25.11. Another high volume day was May 12, 2025, with 12.596.079 shares traded, marking a significant price drop to $20.18. The recent price surge to $28.81 was supported by a substantial volume of 9.332.452, suggesting strong buying interest. The volume-weighted average price, VWAP, has generally followed the price trend, with the latest VWAP at 21,315, indicating that the recent price increase has outpaced the average price paid by investors, reflecting bullish momentum. Moving averages, EMA and SMA. The dataset includes multiple simple moving averages, SMA, and exponential moving averages, EMA, across different periods 5, 10, 20, 21, 25, 30, 50, 63, 75, 100, 125, 150, 200. The shorter-term SMAs, e.g., SMA_5, at 25,858, and SMA_10, at 24,561, are above the longer-term SMAs, e.g., SMA_50 at 20,033 and SMA_200 at 21,642, indicating a short-term bullish trend. Similarly, the EMA_5 at 26,014 is above the EMA_20 at 22,807, reinforcing the recent upward momentum. The crossover of shorter-term moving averages above longer-term ones in late June suggests a potential bullish signal. However, the longer-term SMAs and EMAs remain below the current price, indicating that the stock may still be recovering from a longer-term downtrend. Technical indicators. Momentum indicators. The Relative Strength Index, RSI_14, at 69.70 is approaching overbought territory above 70, suggesting strong buying pressure, but also cautioning for a potential pullback. The Stochastic Oscillator, Stoch_K_15 at 92.18 and Stoch_D_15 at 91.70, and Stochastic RSI, Stoch RSI_K_5 at 99.99, are in overbought zones, further indicating strong upward momentum, but potential for short-term correction. The Williams percent R, Williams_R_14 at -2.45, also supports this overbought condition. Trend indicators. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, shows a bullish crossover with the MACD line at 1,641 above the signal line at 0.702, and a positive histogram of 0.939, confirming bullish momentum. The Average Directional Index, ADX_14, at 26.74 indicates a moderate trend strength, supporting the recent price movement as a developing trend. The Arun Oscillator, Arun_OSC_14, at 92.86 reflects strong bullish sentiment, with the Arun up at 100 dominating the Arun down at 48. Volatility indicators. The Bollinger Bands show the current price, 28.81, significantly above the upper band 24,609, middle band 21,988, and lower band 19,367, indicating an overextension that may lead to a pullback. The average true range, ATR_14, at 1,824 suggests increased volatility, consistent with the recent price surge. The parabolic SAR, PSAR, at 19,858 is well below the current price, supporting the bullish trend. Volume indicators. The on-balance volume, OBV, at 16.235.929 reflects accumulation, as the volume has been positive during recent price increases. The Chaikin oscillator at 3.301.199 further confirms buying pressure, as it remains positive, indicating that volume is supporting the price rise. Linear regression. The trend strength factor, TSF_14, at 29,346 suggests a strong upward trend in the short term. The linear regression-based indicators, such as the triple exponential moving average, TMA_10, at 24,516, and the weighted moving average, WMA_10, at 24,421, are below the current price, indicating that the recent price surge has outpaced the linear trend. This suggests that while the short-term trend is strongly bullish, the price may be ahead of its regression-based expectations, potentially leading to consolidation or a minor pullback. Opening price prediction for the next trading day. Based on the recent price action and technical indicators, the opening price for the next trading day, June 30, 2025, is likely to be influenced by the strong bullish momentum. The last closing price was 28.81, and the VWAP is at 21,315, suggesting that the price is trading at a premium. Given the overbought conditions, RSI, stochastic, and Williams %R, the stock may open slightly lower due to profit taking, but is likely to remain above the short-term moving averages. A reasonable estimate for the opening price is around 28.00 to 28.50, assuming no significant overnight news or market events. Support and resistance analysis. Key support levels are identified around the recent lows and moving averages, 24.63, June 25 close, 22,807, EMA_20, and 21,988, Bollinger Band middle. Stronger support lies near 20,924, SMA_20, and 19,858, PSAR. Resistance levels are less defined due to the recent high at 28.81, but the psychological level of 29.00 and the high of 29.16 on June 27 serve as immediate resistance. The current price of 28.81 is close to resistance, suggesting that intraday movements may test the 29.00 level if bullish momentum continues, or pull back towards 24.63 or 22,807 if selling pressure emerges. The stock's proximity to resistance and overbought conditions indicate a higher likelihood of consolidation or minor retracement intraday. Intraday ATR-based high and low estimates. The ATR_14 at 1,824 provides a measure of expected intraday volatility. Starting from the last closing price of 28.81, the potential high for the next trading day could be approximately 28.81 plus 1,824 is equal to 30,634, and the potential low could be 28.81. 1,824 is equal to 26,986. These levels suggest a wide range of potential movement, consistent with the recent volatility spike. Traders should monitor for high volume at these levels to confirm breakout or reversal patterns. Possible scenarios: bullish scenario, if the stock opens around 28.00 to 28.50 and maintains above the short-term moving averages, SMA_5 at 25,858, and EMA_5 at 26,14, it could push towards 29,00 or higher, potentially testing 30,634, ATR-based high. Sustained high volume and positive momentum indicators, e.g., MACD, ARUN, would support this move, indicating continued buyer interest. Bearish scenario: if overbought conditions trigger profit taking, the stock could pull back towards the support levels at 24,63 or 22,807. A break below 22,807, EMA_20, could lead to further declines towards 20,924, SMA_20, or the ATR-based low of 26,986. This scenario would be more likely if volume decreases or negative divergence appears in momentum indicators. Sideways scenario: given the overbought signals, the stock may consolidate between 26,986 and 29,00, trading within the ATR range. This would allow technical indicators to cool off, potentially setting up for a stronger trend continuation later. Conclusion: the technical analysis of SATS stock as of June 27, 2025, indicates a strong short-term bullish trend driven by significant price increases and high volume in recent sessions. The stock has broken above key moving averages and resistance levels, supported by bullish signals from MACD, ARUN, and OBV. However, overbought conditions in RSI, stochastic, and Williams %R, combined with the price exceeding the Bollinger Band upper limit, suggest a potential for short-term consolidation or a minor pullback. The ATR indicates significant intraday volatility, with potential highs and lows at 30,634 and 26,986, respectively. Traders should watch for volume confirmation at support 24,63, 22,807, or resistance 29,00 levels to gauge intraday direction. Long-term investors may consider the stock's position above longer-term moving averages as a sign of recovery, but caution is warranted due to the rapid price surge. Monitoring for sustained volume and trend strength will be critical for the next trading day. Additional consideration: risk management. Given the high volatility, ATR_14 at 1,824, and overbought conditions, traders should employ strict risk management. Setting stop-loss orders below key support levels, e.g., 24,63 or 22,807, can protect against sudden reversals. Position sizing should account for the wide ATR-based range to manage potential losses effectively.